Student, today we will start the next topic, betweenness म्हणजे दरम्यानता. Here given a 3 point P, Q, R on a one line. If P, Q are the three distinct collinear point. Collinear means different or different points. So if P, Q and R are three distinct collinear point. So there are the three possibility represent this distinct collinear point. PQ are the three distinct collinear point. This is a one possibility. Other two possibilities. In the first possibility, Q point is in between the P and R. Next possibility is P, R and Q. Here in a second possibility, R point in between the P and Q point. So third possibility, remaining only one point is a remainder. There is a P point. So here R, P and Q. In third possibility, P point is in between the P, Q or in a betweenness. This called as a between. The betweenness is a represented. Betweenness is a represented for the 3 points. These are the 3 points, and in between the 2 points, 1 point in a between, so called as a betweenness. Here P, Q are 3 distinct collinear points. collinear म्हणजे काय, एक रेषीय आहे पण कसे डिस्टिंक्ट मीन्स डिफरंट पॉइंट आहे ते P, Q, R आणि यांच्यामध्ये P, Q, R P and R च्या मध्ये कोणता पॉइंट आहे, Q पॉइंट आहे. म्हणजे दोन पॉइंट मध्ये एक तिसरा पॉइंट असेल तर त्याला काय म्हटलं आहे ते बिटवीननेस. मराठीमध्ये काय म्हणतात त्याला, दरम्यानता म्हणतात. आपण इथे हियर दिस एक्झाम्पल इज रिप्रेझेंट ॲज अ पॉइंट Q. पॉइंट Q is a between which point, P and R. P and R. Same right for a second possibility and a third possibility. Here which point is between which point, R point is between the point P and R. So point R is between point P and Q. Same in a third possibility. Which point P and Q between the P point between the P and Q. So point P is between point R and Q. This example is represent as a or we write in this manner. Point Q is between the point P and point R. This point symbolically we write it in this manner. So symbolically present as a Q point between the P and R. Here same, R point in between the Q, P and Q. In the last, here P point in between the R and Q. This is written in a symbolically form. The end point of a segment is called the length of the segment. Suppose line AB is a 5 centimeter. So the distance between the end point of a segment, end point and the starting point. Starting point is a point and the end point is a B point. So the distance between this segment is called as the length of the segment or a length of AB. Suppose this is this line or this segment is a 5 centimeter. So 5 centimeter is the length of a segment AB. So we write in this in this form: the length of a segment AB. Next is a line segment. AB is a one line. So the union of the set of the point A. First point, the union set of a point A. Point A. Point A and a point B. And the point between A and the B are called as a segment AB or a segment here. AB is a line, the union of a set of the point A and the point B. Here are 2 points, point A and the point B. The union of a point A and a point B and the points between the A and the B is called as a segment AB. Here is a more number of points, and the union of this point is called as a segment AB, or we call as a length AB, or a line, also called as a line AB. Line AB. Second is the distance between so we write this in this form: the length of a segment AB is written as in this manner. So length of AB is equal to how much is 5 centimeter, or we also write AB is equal to the 5 centimeter. One example, depending upon the betweenness. On the number line, point A, B and C are such that distance AB is equal to 5 centimeter, distance BC is equal to 11 centimeter and distance DC is equal to 6 centimeter. So which of the point between the other 2 points? So which of the point A, B and C is between the other 2 points? Here given 3 points on a line A, B and C. Firstly we draw the firstly number line. So A, C and B. Here 5 and AB distance is a 5 centimeter, AC distance is a 6 centimeter. So we solve this example. Distance BC is equal to how much? 11 centimeter. This is the equation first. Distance AB plus distance AC. Firstly we take a distance BC is equal to 11 centimeter. This is the equation first. Remaining distance is a AB and AC. So we add this two distance AB and distance AC. So here distance AB is a 5 centimeter, first distance AC is a 6 centimeter, 5 plus 6 is a 11 centimeter. This is the equation 2. So therefore distance BC is equal to distance AB plus distance AC. From this equation that we taking from the equation first and second. So here we called as a point A. A is between the point B and C. Here point A is a, so therefore point A is between point B and D and C.